देख ले
इधर लेना
नाम है क्या
आगे हो
इधर चलो ना
ईमेल
अरे ऊपर का है नीचे का हो गया अच्छा ऐसा कट रहे हैं मैम
साइड हो जाइए प्लीज मोबाइल बीच में मत डालिए प्लीज मैम अरे मोबाइल जरा मांगे है ना
हेलो आप ऐसा मोबाइल
Are we live?
Oh, we are live.
Great.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kunal, joining the Food Revolution.
It's a big day.
It's a big day. I'm super excited to be here as well. And thank you so much to Jamie for actually creating this amazing thing. This Food Revolution. You know we're going through a global food crisis, right?
Yes, we are.
So obviously, otherwise we're crazy.
But you know, a big thanks to the Palio Village Cafe in Mumbai for hosting this.
I was getting there. Thank you, Mishali. She's also part of the Food Revolution. She's at today's Palio Village Cafe, and we're here to bring some educational tips and advice and whatever information we can pass on to you, because today is Food Revolution Day, and we're going to do our best to try and combat the global food crisis.
Actually, the global food crisis that you mentioned is, the problem is that there are a lot of children around the world that are either undernourished or overnourished.
So I'm going to beat you at that.
Yeah.
There's 41 million. There's 41 million kids around the world under the age of 5 who are obese. And do you know how many kids are malnourished and undernourished?
A lot, I guess.
Oh gosh. 150 million kids are malnourished. So
Imagine
just look at the statistics.
food is the problem
Yeah.
and food is the solution.
Is the solution as well, yeah. So, I mean, I think it's a really important thing that, you know, people should understand, parents should understand, kids as well, growing up and be educated about in ways that we should be using food, eating food, making food. And, you know, I really hope that this revolution, you know, really revolutionizes them.
Absolutely. So, for all the people who have just logged in, all I need to tell you is that what we're doing here is we're going to cook two very simple dishes together. Most of the cooking she's doing. And the idea behind is that we would want you guys to log on to www.jamiesfoodrevolution.org and sign up for Food Revolution. And we'll tell you a lot more about Food Revolution. But let's start with a beautiful dish.
Okay, so I'm excited about the next dish. Sorry, guys.
No, I'm excited.
Oh,
You know
really? Why?
Why? Because we're going to cook it.
Oh, no. So let me tell you something.
Jacqueline ke haath ka khana.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, wait. It depends what you're giving me. You're giving me a salad to make, and I can probably do that. But
Aapko aata gundna hai.
atta. I'm making atta. Okay. I've done that before.
So we're making a paratha. We're making a sattu ka paratha. Now,
Okay, please hold on. Let's go back. What is a sattu?
a sattu or a sattu.
What's sattu? Okay, sorry. What is sattu?
So sattu is basically it's like a flour made made out of either a cereal or a grain, and it is very high in protein, very high in carbs, very high in iron, very high on dietary fiber. In fact, UP, Bihar, Orissa, and certain parts of Bengal eat sattu, which is like almost like a powder, either as a drink or
अरे पीछे खड़े ना मोबाइल वाले.
and eat it. What
So
it
is
does,
it very available everywhere?
everywhere, it's very affordable. I personally call it a kilo ingredient simply because, you know, like organic food or healthy food, one of the biggest concern is that if I need to eat healthy, I need to eat a lot of vegetables, I need to eat a lot of expensive foods, all of that. Affordability becomes a question.
Yeah.
With sattu, it's affordable, it's easy to cook, it's nutritious, it's very, very tasty.
Oh wow, I'm excited. Being healthy is one of my most important things, one of the factors that is very important in my industry. And we do have to take care of our health. Energy is one of the main factors, trying to keep us going. And I had the same thing that like it's really expensive sometimes to eat healthy, and it's time consuming,
But then that's a myth now.
Okay, that's a myth now. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So we can make sattu. Okay.
Yeah.
What do I need to do?
You need to move your rings first.
Oh, my okay,
So
no,
you need to drink.
that's okay. I'll do anything. I'll do anything to seriously combat the food crisis we have going on here.
Nobody's got
Oh, okay. I saw that. All right.
Okay, so what we're doing is we've got about 1 cup of atta
1 cup of atta.
and we are adding
We're adding sattu.
sattu. Now this is sattu, this is chana ka and bajra ka sattu.
Okay, bajra.
Bajra, it's like a grain.
Yes, I know about bajra. I
Very,
know
very
about
high
bajra.
fiber.
Yes. So high fiber, carbs, protein, and like this is something that you could probably eat on a daily basis, not put on weight,
Yeah.
and at the same time be completely nourished through it.
Yes.
So it's one of those like perfect like superfoods.
Yes, and
Right?
India, if you see, we are a lot of vegetarian people, and
Yes.
the daily intake of protein for an average Indian is way too low. I think we can incorporate these simple measures within roti, because roti is something you have every part of your meal. Roti is important, so if you just add a little bit of nutrition to your roti with some hero
ये कौन है?
ingredients,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
Yeah, you're so true about the protein part though. It is true. We get very less of it. Okay, so what's next? I have like my 2 flies here. Am I doing this right?
Yeah.
Where do we make it though?
There.
Oh wow, okay, cool.
Alright, so I'm adding some salt.
Okay, salt.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm adding
Little
some
teaspoon of salt.
chopped green chilies
Wow, nice and spicy. By the way, green chilies have a lot of vitamin C. They're very, very good for you.
and vitamin A as well.
And vitamin A. So make sure you always try to incorporate some green chilies into
Absolutely.
your diet.
And I'm adding some chopped onion.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we pause for a second? Okay. And guys, also feel free to ask us any questions related to food and health and any information that you might need. We have, Kunal over here who will like give you all the information you need because he's really created this amazing dish right now. So if there's any information that you need, please feel free to send your questions across to us on our Facebook.
Absolutely. And I'm adding some chopped coriander.
Coriander.
Now, we have the
Does
coriander.
coriander have any like nutritional value maybe?
Very high in fiber.
Very high.
It's lean, iron,
Okay.
free lean. Then I'm adding some dried coriander seeds.
Okay, nice.
I'm adding some ajwain. It's good for digestion. Carrot root. I'm adding some cumin.
Aren't you supposed to roast cumin before you add it?
पीछे.
You can roast it or you can use it raw because once you cook it, it's
It gets roasted,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So,
Duh. Actually, I know about cooking. Roasted cumin.
that's good. So,
Okay. So wow, we have like I like this because I know that like all these elements are just going to be showing like